Hi, I'm John Chan with Reviewed, and today we're going to talk about the Neato Botvac D7 Connected. So, Neato is a California based company that kind of thinks outside the box, and their earlier attempts were a little bit clunky, but they have really refined their formula.
All right, so let's talk about the D7 specifically. Is this their new flagship robot vacuum?
The D7 is definitely the top of the line. It has all of their best technology. It's got their laser mapping technology. It's got their more powerful brush roll, and all the smart features. It's Alexa and Google Home compatible.
And I've heard there's a brand new feature called the No Go line or something like that. Can you talk about that a bit?
Sure, the no-go line is part of the floor planner feature. So the first cycle you run, you can set it to have it map your home. Then it maps your home and it saves the data onto the app. And it allows you to draw lines where you don't want the robot vacuum to go, which is super useful because otherwise you need to put down virtual walls or magnetic strips or close a door.
And how well did the No Go feature work? I know you tried it with the app. Did it work as advertised?
It worked pretty well. I mean, it's very similar to what happens when the Neato goes near a magnetic strip, which is what the company used before as a barrier. So you can actually draw more than one no-go line. So you can draw a rectangle or a circle around your pet bowls, and it won't go near it.
Let's talk about cost a little. How much does the D7 retail for, and when can you buy it?
So the Neato D7 will be available on March 13th, and it's going to cost $799. Comparatively speaking, a good robot vacuum probably runs you around $200, maybe even cheaper when it's on sale. So this is quite expensive.
Finally, we've talked about all these smart features, but how did this robot vacuum clean? It's a vacuum after all. So did it do better than previous Neatos? Did it do the same? How did it do compared to others we tested?
The D7 is definitely on par with all of Neato's higher-end vacuums. It was able to get on top of the high-power carpet, which is rare. One of the big things about this between other robot vacuums is that it has a 10.9-inch brush head, so that the part that actually cleans is the whole width of the front. And because it's D-shaped, it allows it to go flush against walls, so it does have great cleaning power. To find out more about this robot vacuum, head over to Reviewed.